Sometimes Allah removes the noise, so you can finally hear Him. Have you noticed how distant the world has started to feel? The people who once understood you now feel far away. And even when people surround you, there is still a quiet emptiness inside your heart. You may think you are being isolated. But what if Allah is protecting you from becoming too attached to this temporary world before Allah brings a soul closer to Him? He often makes the dunya feel smaller in its eyes. We spend years chasing people, chasing validation, trying to find peace in temporary things. But eventually, people disappoint us, promises break, and the things we thought would heal us become the reason we hurt. Have you ever wondered why certain heartbreaks brought you closer to Allah? Because sometimes Allah breaks worldly attachments to save your heart from depending on them completely. He allows the dunya to disappoint you. So you finally realize only Allah can truly heal your soul. There is a beautiful verse in the Quran where Allah says, "And remember your Lord within yourself in humility and in fear without loudness in words, in the mornings and the evening." Allah loves the quiet conversations, the du'as nobody hears, the tears that fall late at night when the world is asleep. Sometimes Allah delays the answer because He loves hearing you call upon Him. If you had never been hurt, maybe you would never have turned back to Him, and perhaps the pain that broke you was also the pain that guided you home. Allah does not need your perfection. He wants your closeness. He sees the exhaustion you hide from everyone else. He knows how heavy your heart has become. And tonight, you do not have to pretend anymore. Come to Allah with your broken pieces, your fears, your doubts, your silent pain. Even a tear or a trembling breath is a language your Lord understands perfectly. When the world pushes you away, sometimes it is only Allah pulling you back toward Him. Take one step toward Him. He will take 10 steps toward you. Do not return to the things that stole your peace. Your soul deserves better than temporary comfort. Allah wanted your heart to hear these words tonight because He wants you to know you are safe with Him. And if this reminder found your heart at the right moment, share it with someone silently fighting battles nobody knows about. If your heart is seeking Allah tonight, claim this prayer in the comments. Ya Allah, draw my heart close to you, because true peace begins the moment your heart returns to Allah.